Hi friends and welcome to another video of Just Being Earners. In today's video, we'll be talking about the latest updates for iFast in the past 2 weeks and also what are the things that's happening for iFast. So let's take a look at the iFast share price first. So currently iFast share price is at $8.31 and based on the previous high of $9.65, it has dropped by about 14%. And for the latest results that iFast posted, iFast Corporation posts fifth consecutive quarter of record AUA with net profits increasing 94% year-on-year in first half 2021. And these are the key things to take note of. So the group net profit increased 55% to 7 million in second quarter 2021 and 94% year-on-year to 15.84 million in first half 2021. And this reflects the positive operating leverage of the group business model. So even though the second quarter of 2021, where the trading activities were generally more subdued compared to first quarter 2021, there was still a net inflows of client assets that remained healthy at 0.84 billion in second quarter 2021 and stood at 2.21 billion in first half 2021. So for the next update, we can see that for iFast, they have set up a new company in United States, which is called the iFast Security US Corporation. And based on this setup of the company, they mentioned that the corporation of iFast Securities for US corporation, the intention is essentially for iFast to have a direct link to the US market. They intend to put in an application for trading membership on the US exchange in the same way that they have done for the Singapore and Hong Kong markets. So the rationale is that they believe that US is a key segment of the stockbroking business, and that this move to forge a direct link to the market will give the company an advantage over its peers in the long run. And for another update, iFast has also recently completed its acquisition of the fund manager business of Singapore Authorized Funds. So you can see that from these details here, the company has announced that they have completed this transaction. And for this transaction itself, iFast will take over as the new manager of the funds from 30th July 2021. And for the other updates, iFast Malaysia has also launched its US and Hong Kong stockbroking services. So the addition of the US and Hong Kong stockbroking services in Malaysia follows the introduction of stocks and ETF listed on Bursa Malaysia in March 2021. This is in line with the group's objective of providing a comprehensive wealth management platform in Malaysia, similar to the group's other core markets such as Singapore and Hong Kong. So this will allow stocks investors in iFast Malaysia to have access to the Hong Kong as well as the US market. And the next update, which is most likely I feel is the most important, is regarding the iFast finalizing the prime subcontractor contract for Hong Kong pension project. So if you read through this document itself, you can see that for this key point itself, the group aims to, by the end of the year, provide some guidance on the potential growth of its overall Hong Kong business for 2023 and 2024 and beyond. Do note that in this statement above, the transaction is not expected to have any material impact on the group's earnings per share or net tangible assets per share from the financial year ending 31st December 2021. But at this point here onwards, you can see that the group will have the transaction will have a very material financial impact for the year 2023 and 2024 and beyond. This goes to show that for this project itself that iFast is inside, this transaction itself will have a very material impact for the finances of iFast, and most likely you can see that this will actually most likely contribute to the earnings as well as the revenue for iFast. So this is something that I'm excited to look at for what will happen to iFast once they are able to finalize the details and provide more updates on it. So that's all for today's updates regarding iFast that happened to them in the past 2 weeks. So do remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and always do remember to make smarter financial decisions every day. Have a good day ahead, and bye bye.